I'd like to congratulate the faculty and students of the IILM University. I think it's an excellent thing to have a wellness center for a university. It gives everyone an opportunity to be connected and be looked after. And I hope this center will grow from this one little room to a whole building by itself, where everybody can come and do something which makes their life much more empowered and joyful.
As you know, India is facing a crisis of mental health issues in the youth. And we want to start this initiative to offer counseling support services to our students. We also are enabling our student community to be a part of this initiative, to have peer group community services, and to explore new methods and techniques of enhancing our wellness.